Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News First. A look at the headlines. Union Cabinet approves construction of 3 crore additional houses under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Centre releases over rupees 1,39,000 crore in tax devolution to support state finances and spur economic development. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma hails the decision. Bindas Aim, who is on an indefinite hunger strike, meets Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong. Opposition Congress in Meghalaya pitches for resumption of Assam-Meghalaya Interstate boundary talks. And the district-level inter-school Subroto Cup 2024 kicks off in Rebhoy. And now the news in detail. The government will provide assistance to 3 crore additional rural and urban households for the construction of houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. A decision in this regard was taken in the first cabinet meeting of the newly formed NDA government in New Delhi yesterday. The central government has been implementing the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana since 2015 to provide assistance to eligible rural and urban households for the construction of houses with basic amenities. The centre has announced the release of a significant instalment of 1,39,750 crore rupees in tax devolution to states. The Finance Ministry said that the release, which includes both the regular allocation for June and an additional instalment, is aimed to bolstering state government capacity to accelerate development and capital expenditure. As per the state-wise release, Meghalaya will receive 1,071.90 crore. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma thanked the centre and the Finance Minister for releasing the funds. He said this is significant because this is a bonus and double benefit has been given, which is a great gesture and way to start the new government.
To everybody that why this is very significant is the government has released 2 installments of the devolution of the taxes which was meant for the different states. So every month we normally get 1 installment, but the Government of India in one way has given a bonus to every state by releasing 2 installments. So this will not be taken away from the future installments, but these are basically a bonus and a double benefit has been given, and this is a great gesture by the Honourable Prime Minister and the Honourable Finance Minister, and a great way to start the new government. And once again, I would like to thank the Government of India for releasing over 1,000 crores in terms of the devolution of taxes, which will definitely help the state.
Following the assurance from the Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, to take up the Nongpo-Umden-Sonapur road issue, Bindas Aim announced to end her indefinite hunger strike. Same had met Tinsong earlier during the day to discuss the issue. Aim was on a hunger strike demanding the immediate repair of the road.
Bapilayo iya kijing ele kijonga da kabangawan bersyat dengan hapo jonganeka madan hapo additional sekretariat ngapen pau kijing snuk men ka bakrau bat kijing snungu iya ka government yi ha ka bakala pensnyau kala pensngat iya kijing kerpat kijonga kijing dawa kijonga da ka bak ngalayo iya ka assurance ka babiang ha ka ba nakaliang yung sarkar kila ay katpum kijing kwa kijonga kublay subun bat hakane ka por ngapen tip baro kinong Krisyan kijonga kibadon hapo jonga neka shillong nang ta kibana way na way ru hagan neka sning an weng iya kan neka jingshat ngan kajonga.
Meanwhile, the Deputy Chief Minister had assured that the state government will take up with the centre for immediate sanctioning of over rupees 100 crore for the reconstruction and widening of 20 km of road from Nongpo up to Umden and for the construction of a 39 km of road from Umden up to Lom Nongrim.
jong kanika surok kabade na umden hadu na nongpo hadu ha umden kabapoi arpo kilometer na lor ka umden ya chakma kabat poi sakumbal lai phokra kilometer lai phokra lai phunai kilometer bat kata pada kaban mi sendon ban connect bat ka bernihat te yakaniru manyetu pi lai phokra hadu lai phunai kilometer nila de pedrung yakaniru hapo ka PMJ3 bat ya ka DPR ka de ladet ngakarmen skem ha kanika tayo ka bamta hapo Delhi kin shong meeting hakaban finalize ia ka DPR patbu panai ka sanction.
Opposition Congress MLA from Mohati constituency, Charles Marngar, has called upon Assam and Meghalaya governments to resume the border talks between the two states. Marngar, who is also one of the members of the regional committee, and that both the states need to sit again and reschedule the inspection at the disputed areas. The remaining 6 areas of difference are Khanduli and Pasiar, Block 1 and Block 2, Borduar, Langpi, Nongwa, Mauthamur and Desh Bumriye.
One of the member of the regional committee. Before election, 4 months before election, not 4 months, 5-6 months before election, we had a meeting there in Guwahati. So actually we have decided to go for the spot inspection. But till today I don't get any information. No information till today. I think we have to sit again. The regional committee have to sit again, and we have to reschedule the spot inspection for the border, interstate border settlement.
Mohati MLA Charles Marngar on Monday expressed concern over the increasing migration of youth from Meghalaya to other states in search of employment opportunities. This concern follows the recent tragedy in Tinsukia district, Assam, where 2 local youth from Meghalaya lost their lives in an illegal rat hole mine. He highlighted that many people from Meghalaya are compelled to seek hazardous job in other states, such as rat hole mining, due to the lack of job creation within the state.
To see that due to the employment in the state, people from my constituency, from other constituency, and the whole state of Meghalaya, they have to go outside the state. So this is the one. So from my side, I want to say that this is the time. It's high time that we have to think about it, and that we have to, talk about, and high time that the government should take seriously in this matter.
The Meghalaya BJP on Monday celebrated the formation of the newly formed Narendra Modi government at the centre. State BJP President Rickman Momin said that the BJP-led NDA government back in the nation's helm of affairs, BJP Meghalaya is set to ensure that the people-friendly and pro-poor policies of the central government reach every nook and corner of the state over the next 5 years. BJP Meghalaya Unit Chief Spokesperson Mariam Kharkrang said that religion does not play a role in politics in the state. Kharkrang was responding to a query on the recent comments made by the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, blaming a particular religion for the loss of the party and its allies in Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur. He further said that none of the religious groups amongst the Christians, irrespective of denominations, propagate any particular candidate or party.
Let me stand corrected. You know, the thing is, I don't think so. Religion has got a part to play here, because none of the religious groups among the Christians, respective of denominations, do promulgate any particular candidate or any particular party. Yes, one thing they do is that they always hold a special prayer meeting just before the eve of elections, on the eve of elections, where they pray that God will give wisdom to the electorates to choose the right candidate and the right party. But directly, with full confidence, I can say that none of the church are in support of a particular candidate or particular party.
The bodies of the two Ribhoi coal miners that was retrieved on Saturday from the coal mine in Tinsukia, Assam, was laid to rest on Monday in their village in Mohati. The deceased were identified as John Nongrum from Jata village and Finel Lin Umba from Kor Hadem village, both under Mohati. A few days earlier, the body of another miner, Dawa Sherpa from Bhojpur, Nepal, was also recovered. The three miners had been trapped in the coal mine following a landslide on the 25th of May. The district-level Inter-School Subroto Cup 2024, organised by the Office of the District Sports Officer, Ribhoi District, officially commenced today in the Nongjri and Nyang Birnai playgrounds in Ribhoi District. The tournament, which will run until 18th of June, features a total of 28 schools competing in 3 categories: under 15 boys, under 17 boys and under 17 girls. The victorious teams from this competition will go on to represent Ribhoi District at the state-level Subroto Cup. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 26.8 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while in the evening it stood at 70%. Rainfall recorded was 6.6 millimeters. The forecast: moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Union Cabinet approves construction of 3 crore additional houses under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Centre releases over 1,39,000 crore in tax devolution to support state finances and spur economic development. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma hails the decision. Bindas Aim, who is on an indefinite hunger strike, meets a Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong. Opposition Congress in Meghalaya pitches for resumption of Assam-Meghalaya interstate boundary talks. And the district-level Inter-School Subroto Cup 2024 kicks off in Ribhoi. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.